Today's challenge is finding the most expensive pieces in Hobby Lobby without breaking the bank. I'm skipping over the trendy stuff and only showing you what I feel could pass as high-end looking. If you love decorating your home on a budget but still love that expensive look, grab your coffee and let's get in there. Okay, so they have all their fall decor, party floral, and crafts 40% off. And here's what I mean by high end. These flowers are so gorgeous. Look at the detail on these. Doesn't that look so realistic? They have so many different colors. I would tend to go towards neutral because that's going to be more high-end looking. When you start getting too bright, I feel like it takes away like what looks expensive. So even these are really, really gorgeous. So you can mix these little darker, moodier flowers with these. They are $7.99, but again, 40% off. Those kind of look a little fake. Like, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Do you feel like this looks fake? I definitely feel like that's more on the fake side, but these are absolutely stunning. These velvet pumpkins are literally everything. Look how gorgeous these are, and look how beautiful these would be in a specific like arrangement. You could mix and match with these even. Oh my gosh, these little acorn, they kind of look like acorns. I don't know. I'm not really actually sure what this is, but it's gorgeous. So let me know in the comments below if you know what this is. It's gorgeous, whatever it is. But what I would probably do more so than anything is mix, like, I would do like stems with these just because it could get too busy putting like too many flowers. You could mix and match some flowers with this as well, but I'll see if I can find some stems to put with it. Okay, I will try and put something right here so you guys can have an idea. Ooh, these are also really fun. I love these colors, definitely over these brighter orange. This looks more realistic. I feel like more high-end looking. And then these stems are $7.49 a piece, but of course 40% off. But look at the detail on them. Aren't those gorgeous? These would look so great with the stems or the pumpkins I just showed you. These are $7.49 a stem as well. I'm just gonna pull one out. Ooh, here, let me get it. It's like I'm gonna pull two. Actually, so this is like two stems put together. However, they need to be fluffed so they can look a lot fuller than what you're seeing here. But $7.49, and then it's 40% off, but they would look really good with the pumpkin. Okay, here is what I'm talking about when I say putting them together. You're gonna wanna go for some leafy pieces to place with the pumpkins. And even better with these white ones. I'm gonna show you one more because I mean, how gorgeous are these? These have pine cones, which I'm just gonna say this once. Add pine cones. They look really classy, high-end, expensive. And then these actually have these little sticks coming out as well as the leaves and the pine cones. This is really realistic. And then these are leaves are all gonna be, oh, that one's $16.99. So this is gonna be definitely more expensive. Let me see. But look how full that is. And you can spread this out, like I said. And then these are, again, 40% off. I think this is a fantastic find. We're not gonna hang out too long in the stem section because we have so much more to cover. This garland screams luxury and I am loving it. I'm gonna show you what one piece looks up close. Like, oh my word, there are berries, there are flowers, there are leaves. There is a little bit of everything in this and it is just perfectly toned. I love these for tablescapes. I love them for over mantles, fireplaces, you name it. If you have like a console table that you need to like stretch out this on, it would be great. The only downfall is so as you can see, this is bendable, but it is going to make it a little bit harder to drape. So if you're looking for something that's going to be droopy, this isn't it. So this is going to need to go on like a flatter surface. The price on these are $47.99, but with the sale price, it is $29 basically. So still a really great price. I'm just going to say this. No, 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 no. No. Now, this right here actually is really stunning, but the flowers they used, not working. As you can see, they look more cheap, like just almost as if I mean, I could buy these at the Dollar Tree, I'll be honest. I would not be surprised. Like this definitely could pass for Dollar Tree flowers. When you're picking pumpkins, go for more realistic pumpkins. So for instance, look at these right here. These are all 40% off too. They're hand painted, but they are not symmetric perfectly, right? Like no pumpkin is perfectly symmetric. So these look more realistic. They're neutrally toned. These, not so much. that's not as good of a pumpkin, in my opinion. Maybe you could put one of those in there, but most pumpkins don't look like that. I know you guys want to have pumpkin pie on your pillow displayed for when your Grammy comes over for Thanksgiving, but don't do it. Instead, do something like this. If you want to get a little crazy, you can do a pattern like this, something very neutral. You could do browns. I'd probably even go a little bit darker on that orange, maybe like more of this color, not this pillow, but that color. Which, by the way, I love these. These are so nice to place underneath your like main rug. This one's $12.99. So gorgeous. I actually might get this. Okay, this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna stick it in my cart and see if I can find a front door mat to go with it. I had to give this basket a moment. I know it's not Halloween or fall or autumn, but holy moly, I cannot even believe this. $59.99 for this basket. Just wait till they put a for sale sign up here and it's like 40% off. And they did have a smaller version cubbied inside this one. So they did give you two options. You know, when you're getting into bed and you obviously don't use all your pillows, this would be a great basket to just dump them in. Okay, these little bow tie cups are so adorable. Look how cute they are. So these have like bows, pumpkins, geese on them. They even have these right here, which I'm like gonna move that so you can see. Love the aesthetic of that one. But how cute are these for a little girl, a little boy? Well, I guess it would be like a little girl. Can't really see a little boy carrying pumpkin, a mini spice container around, but look how adorable, and 40% off. And these plaid cups are my absolute favorite. I think they look the most expensive, and they do have also, so not just those, but they have these thermoses as well. You cannot go wrong with this brown glass. I think this is absolutely stunning. You can put some stems in it and kind of use it as a little decor piece or even in the middle of your table. So many different options for this. Got another wreath and garland that looks very high-end and luxurious. These leaves are beautiful. I showed you some stems earlier that very much mimic these, but this is just gorgeous. It's going to be very neutrally based, just I might actually buy this too. Okay, somebody needs to just drag me out of Hobby Lobby because I'm literally gonna buy everything in here. I will say you have to look. I know there's some people who like, and I know who you are out there, you like the bright orange, but be picky with it. Be picky with it. Go for more of this orange, not so much that orange. Not so much that orange. That just cheapens the look if you're going for high-end luxurious looking. And then these sunflowers just, they're not doing it for me. I also really love this wreath minus this bow. This bow would definitely be coming off. That just cheapens the look of this wreath and it would look a million times better without it. So I literally just had one of these in a garage sale yesterday and it did not sell, if that tells you anything. And for reference, I just want to say, like, there's nothing wrong with that. However, for point of reference, I just want to say there's nothing wrong with picking those kind of pieces. However, if you are going for that high-end luxury look, you're not going to pull it off with that. There are these pumpkins, which I'm going to say no to. And then you have these pumpkins, which I'm going to say yes to. It's gorgeous. White, green, and again, if you wanted a different tone orange, go for this. It's like almost muted. You can see it's like coated in like a white. This is super shiny and looks cheap. This looks expensive. This painting right here is gorgeous. Look how cute that is. Very naturally aesthetic to it. And then this one is $36.99, but guys, don't forget 40% off. And the frame is gorgeous. That's what it looks like. I love it. This one also is very beautiful. If you have more of that dark, moodier color going on. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Do not do this. I don't even have words for these brown and white dishes. So here is your gravy bowl. You have a cup. You have little saucers right here. Just look at the pattern on these. So stunning. You've got a large bowl. I mean, oh, and then let's not forget a serving plate right here. These are all, let me just see. Oh, $19.99 for this one, but again, 40% off. Also, can we do something about this vent that sounds like a truck driving through Hobby Lobby? Okay, so sorry about that. I couldn't get near that thing because you guys wouldn't hear me. Okay, I do love these. I love the green and the orange. So if you're gonna bring out some little accent pieces, this wouldn't be a bad idea. And then these are only $4.99, 40% off. Okay, I know I showed you guys this rug right here. Let me zoom in this one, but I ended up switching it out for that one. It is a little bit more neutral, and I just wanted to show you, like, I am getting this wreath, and I just think that this rug would look better with that one. So this is what I put together for the front door mat. So something very simple is ideal. Like, I don't like too many different colors going on because you already have a busy pattern in the background. But then this is the wreath that I wanted to get. So I'm just trying to envision it. Let me know in the comments below. Do you like this or is it not your style? Oh my goodness. If you go to the back of the store, I mean, where the lamps and stuff are in the very back corner, there's these candles and they smell magnificent. It's a 13.4 ounce candle, and then it is $18.99, yeah. And then it's 40% off. It's so good. I love this throw as well. This is so soft and cozy. It's $29.99, but 40% off. So you do the math. But this one is really gorgeous. I feel like the aesthetic on it is nice. It's got this nice fringe on the end. Let me see. I don't think it says the size of it. No, it doesn't have the size, but it does feel like it's bigger. Let me see. Oh, just kidding. 50 by 60 inches. Yeah, so it's decent. Before you go doing your whole bathroom in orange, which I mean, you can if you would like, but let me just give you a little tip. Start with a base layer like this. You can always add in some orange with it. Look how well those two colors complement each other. And it's better to have like more of a neutral tone as your base layer and then complement with the seasonal colors. But this is definitely one of those bath mats that I love. It's got like the waffle design on it. Ooh, the backside is super grippy. It's like they put, I don't even know, glue on it or something, but so nice. And just so you guys know, if you're changing out your rugs seasonally, they're all 40% off right now at Hobby Lobby. So you're definitely going to want to snag them here. I mean, there are so many options as you can see. And then it just goes on and on and on. So even those bath rugs I just showed you were also 40% off. If you're decorating for fall, I hope this video gave you some fresh ideas to decorate your home with. I would love to know in the comments below which find was your favorite. If you've enjoyed shopping with me today, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.